It's officially our second day here in El Nido.
We got a bike, we rented a scooter, and we're gonna head out and explore the island on our own. We did the island tour yesterday, which was amazing, but I am excited to do some independent exploring today.
Yeah, if you feel confident and capable in riding a bike, definitely do it around the Philippines. It's a great way to see the islands, and yeah, we're gonna get rolling. I just looked down at the map, so it's like turn.
We've arrived at Duli Beach, and it was a really beautiful drive to get here. We passed through a lot of farmland. Oh, there's a cat. So different than Cebu driving here. It's a lot hotter too because there's not as much shade. Christian has really been wanting to do surf lessons ever since we went to Mexico years ago. He's currently in line to go surf, and it's about, I think, $15 for an hour lesson, which is amazing. Beautiful beach. It reminds me so much of the Oaxacan coast in Mexico, and we got some fruit shakes here, which this is honestly one of the best mango smoothies I've had.
I am so tired. It's crazy. You know, it took me a while to get up, and then he goes, "You're kind of tall. Maybe I get a bigger board." So he went and got a bigger board for me. Really fun time. Great place to learn, honestly, because the waves aren't too bad. Man, these guys are great. He even kept me out there for a little bit longer, try to get me to catch the big one.
You could see that, but there was an ox jumping around in the water like a big old dog. There's so many ox and fields. We don't know if they're rice fields or what they're harvesting, but we're just driving through like the farm countryside right now. Your shirt matches the scenery.
Yeah, it's very nice. I love it.
And it was 20 pesos to park.
over here at Nacpan Beach. Just ordered some food. The food costs about 500 pesos. Our chairs cost 300 pesos. We were offered 400 at first, and then we walked around a little bit, and the guy came back. He's like 300 pesos. I was like, we'll take that deal. Takeaway bag. This looks so good. We haven't eaten since breakfast. Got a sweet and sour chicken, vegetable pancit, and some rice.
Hi.
Hi, buddy.
Can we help you? Oh my God.
Hello.
Hi. We're just taking a nice walk along the beach. This is gorgeous. I had intention of swimming today, maybe tonight, but I got really burned yesterday on our boat trip, and I don't want to take my shorts off because my bottom got the worst of it. So.
Beach is phenomenal. Definitely one of the best beaches here in El Nido. Very calm. It's a good vibe.
Calm.
Yeah, well, in terms of people, it's not very touristy.
Definitely recommend taking a day to just do some beach hopping. It's been great to see this side of the island too, you know. But we're gonna do one more beach for sunset, which I'm pretty excited about.
Make sure you pack your own sunscreen because you'll be using more than enough.
Yeah.
And then on top of it, it's pretty expensive here. Filled up for 130 pesos, which is like less than $5. We're jumping back on this thing, trying to catch a sunset. We gotta get going.
In search of sunset. And my hair feels like straw, literal straw. It's so, got so much dirt and salt in it. Oh my goodness.
Arrived at our parking lot to Vanilla Beach, even though we're going to Las Cabanas. It's actually free, so perfect, right? We've made it to Duli Square. Very different from the rest of the town.
I kind of feel like we're in like a cruise ship port. I don't know, we just walked through this gate. There's like a gym and a McDonald's. I was not expecting this at all. So, I guess we'll see what this beach is like.
It's like an outdoor mall.
Yeah. Made it into the water for the day. I've been waiting all day for this. This is actually, I think, my favorite one that we've been to today, just because there's not a lot of waves. There's like no waves. We're definitely tucked away in like a little cove. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset view. You can see right behind me. That's where the sun's gonna set. Ooh. Yeah, totally beautiful. It's free to get to be here, free to park here. It's amazing. full report. Weird looking fish, like yellow striped with black fins. A weird snake thing. And trash. I'm pretending like this is not happening right now, but it is.